Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as gamepad for your smart TV. So it's pretty simple and easy. What you need to do is just simply head over to App Store. Once you're inside App Store, you just need to download Zank Remote. And before doing that, you must download the same app on your TV as well. So if you got a smart TV, you can just simply head over to App Store or Play Store, whatever Android TV is that. You can just go to Play Store and download Zank. Once you download it, you just gotta make sure that your Wi-Fi and the TV Wi-Fi are the same, that the Wi-Fi that's on your phone and your TV. Once you do this, just go ahead and open up Zank Remote, and here as you can see, it's gonna tell you all the installation guide right over here, as you can see. You just need to follow all the installation guide and connection, same Wi-Fi as I told you, Zank Remote, and then OK, and here you go. Now you can just connect to your TV by doing all the options, and here as you can see, you can either enter IP or search for devices. It's going to search for devices in your home. And yeah, this is very easy and simple. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.